If you want something simple that can check your oxygen levels and pulse at home or after light activity, this is a really handy tool to keep around. It's small, rechargeable, and just clips right onto your finger.
It gives you your SpO2 and pulse reading within a matter of seconds, and the screen is bright enough to read clearly once it locks in. Now, as long as your finger is placed correctly, the numbers update pretty quickly and stay consistent while you're using it. So it works well for quick checks during rest or after something like a walk. And you can easily tap to rotate the display depending on how you're holding it, and a long press brings up the settings if you need to adjust anything. It's nice and lightweight and compact, so it doesn't take up much space, and it's easy to keep nearby or bring with you. It's rechargeable with a USB-C, and you can get multiple uses out of one charge before needing to plug it back in. Now, it does not connect to an app or store readings, so it's more for quick checks rather than long-term tracking. And it's also meant for general or fitness use, not necessarily medical use.
So if you just want something quick and easy that you can use to check your numbers from time to time, this is a really great option that's easy to use.